Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some more spoilers for the Supreme Box Winter 2020 Jeffree Star. I can't even speak. That's how tired I am right now. The Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box 2020, the Supreme Box. Now, you guys are probably wondering, girl, what you doing wearing the same hoodie from yesterday? Well, at least I changed my underwear, so for that, we have conquered the day. Also, I'm still sitting here drinking my coffee in my Starbucks Christmas cup that changes colors whenever, you know, this is what it looks like when it's warm. I love the little color changing candy canes. Anyways, you guys are probably wondering by whatever I make the title and thumbnail of this video, which is probably going to seem clickbaity, but it's not. It's actually 12:50. I just woke up maybe an hour ago to this DM from KATELYN Chickering. But her name was something different earlier. Okay. Anyway, so she sent me her Supreme box. Okay. And let's just say the entire box, just about, is a whole different box. This is going to excite so many people, but it's also going to infuriate so many people, and we will explain. So if you are into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, I need fuel. As always, I did purchase all 4 of these mystery boxes, and I will be doing a really big giveaway with multiple winners, so get excited for that. Don't forget to subscribe, especially if you're just sitting here watching the video casually. It would literally just make my Christmas if you subscribe. Give me the Christmas gift of subscribing. Anyways, so the very first Supreme box that I spoiled was in a size large, and you guys know, as you know, time has gone on over the years, that size really does matter, not just in relationships but also in these Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Usually you'll get the same variant minus like a shade or two within, you know, the specific size, and usually it's like 2 different sizes have like the same thing going on. So this box in particular is a size small, and it is completely different from the rest. So I'm going to give you the few things that are the exact same, which is only like a few things. And you guys, I want to hear all of your guesses down in the comments, because I think you guys are going to be blown away. Also, it's a little annoying because I'm going to have to catch them all like Pokemon, if you know what I'm saying. Anyways, so the first item that is the exact same is the lip bundle. We haven't seen a variant for the lip bundle yet. It's been the red lip bundle, which is apparently not on the site anymore. I haven't checked it for myself, but apparently it's not on the site anymore. Maybe he's discontinuing it, but I don't know. But the red lip bundle is the same, and so is the Magic Star translucent powder, which I actually hope that it stays translucent so it can, you know, be for all skin tones instead of like a specific tone, you know what I mean? And then the lip scrub is still the Blue Raspberry Sucker, which I have currently in my shower. I really like that one. Out of all the lip scrubs I've had, I really like it, but I think it's because of my childhood. Everything blue is like the best, you know, like any candy, if it's blue, it's gonna be good. And then we have the lip gloss in Body Count, which I believe is from the you know, the recent nude collection. I don't want to say the name because I don't want to like get demonetized or whatever, but that's just a really pretty goldeny nude shade lip gloss. And then here for the Skin Frost, we have a new shade, which we've seen Ice Cold and we've seen Sarcophagus. Well, this one is Peach Goddess, which is a beautiful shade. It's not going to work for me because for some reason his formula has like some kind of dark like base to it where it gives me dark cast, where you can literally see a dark line. It looks good this way, but when you look like facing forward, I get this dark line. So I kind of hope I get the Ice Cold. And then here is, obviously we have the exclusive ornament. It's still in the baby pink shade, which a lot of people are kind of upset about that, but it's also a mini mirror. Like you can put it in your purse as like a compact, you know? It's just really, really cute. I like the mirror as an exclusive. I mean, some people are like, at least it's not a pop socket, but you know, whatever. So here we have a new makeup bag. We've seen black marble, we've seen pink marble, and this one is a gold one, and this is really, really pretty, and I like this one. And honestly, when you look at the entire box as a whole that this woman got, it's such a nice theme. Like all the colors go well together except for the lip bundle. That one's the only oddball out. But anyways, and then she got the iridescent pink chrome mirror, which I want so much. This one is like the cutest mirror ever. Iridescent pink gold. I didn't even, or yeah, iridescent pink whatever. I had to look it up on Beautylish because I didn't remember that being a color. But I was just like, yes. So let me just say this before we get into the last two items, which is the palette and the exclusive item. When she was unboxing her box, her husband actually said that he was confused, or he looked confused. Hold on, let me see exactly what she said, because I was just like, oh my god. She said, what did she say? She said, oh, she said, my husband watched your Supreme spoiler video last night and he was watching me open it. He looked so confused. So again, give me your guesses down below. Let's just get into the palette before we get into the exclusive, okay? My eyelashes are sticking together. So she got the Jawbreaker palette, you guys. I know so many of you were like, you didn't want the cremated palette, which I find to be one of my favorite Jeffree Star palettes. But this is the Jawbreaker. You guys have been wanting the Jawbreaker palette, and guess what? Here's the Jawbreaker palette, you guys. And let me just... well, do I want to get my palette out? Not really. I'm not going to show you my palette, but I actually really like the palette. I do find that some shades are a little patchy, but again, you know what? That could be me being terrible at eyeshadow. Oh my god, my eyes are sticking. Okay, so who is ready for this exclusive item? It's insane. This has never been seen before with Jeffree Star mystery boxes or anything like that. So this is a pink hoodie? Yeah. So he made variants for the color of hoodie. I saw this and I said, I say and I quote, I said, oh my god, what a effing pink one. I was like, what? So the logo is like still like a light pink star with Jeffree Star in cursive underneath. The sleeves are candy cane, like a darker pink and a green. I'm not sure what like the color of the font is for the other side, but yeah, there's gonna be variants of the hoodie, which like we had like this periwinkle-y blue, like light blue shade, and now we have pink. So it's like, how many other variants do you think there's going to be of hoodies? Like, we have a pink and we have a blue. I saw one that almost looked like it could be like a light purple, but I don't know if that was just the coloring. But if my eye doesn't stop sticking together. So like, I'm freaking out, you know what I mean? Like, I want both. I want the light blue one, like the baby powder blue, maybe that's like how to explain it. And I also want the pink one because I got the size large, and then the blue one's in the size large. And then this one's a size small, and this is a pink one. Like, he's never done variants of, like, clothing items for our mystery boxes. And I'm just like, oh my god. I was freaking out. And I know you guys are probably wondering, like, where's the deluxe spoilers? But, like, nobody's gotten their deluxe yet. I haven't even seen anybody get shipping for it. I've been seeing so many updates where people are like, I haven't gotten shipping. I haven't gotten shipping. These have shipped, but this one hasn't. So it's, like, a lot of people have, like, conspiracy theories of maybe the robe was supposed to come in the big box and the hoodie is supposed to come in the 120 box, stuff like that, and that's why they haven't shipped out. I don't really know. I know some people have gotten like 2 of their boxes. Some people have gotten 4 boxes at once, 2 minis and 2 premiums. So it's like, I don't know what's going on, but I want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. I know so many of you are going to be so freaking excited that Jawbreaker's coming in here, and I think you're going to want this variation because I do. Even though I really want the blue, I think the blue would probably look better on me than the pink, but I want all of this. I want that iridescent pink mirror. I just want it all. I gotta catch them all, Pokemon. You know what I mean? Anyways, thank you guys so much for sitting here and watching. I'm so sorry that I'm just like, meh, but I'm tired. I literally woke up like an hour ago and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so that doesn't say anything, then I don't know what does. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I will definitely update you when there's deluxe spoilers. Bye.